Hello guys, welcome to Street Tutors. Today we are going to learn Unit A, Reading a True Height, second page number. Mildred Stone, Michael's mother, wished that he could relax a bit more and be that free dreaming little boy. On one occasion, she attempted to talk to him and his father about this, but his dad quickly interrupted, smiled, and said, "You want something? Work for it." Here, Mildred Stone is the mother of Michael. She wished that he would be relaxed for a bit more, and he should free dreaming little boy. On one occasion, she attempted to talk to him and his father. Means in one occasion, the Mildred Stone, who is the mother of Michael, attempted to talk with the Michael and his father, but his father quickly interrupted. Means the father suddenly talked and smiled and said, if you want something, work for it." All of Michael's faults today seemed to be the rewarded for his hard work. If Michael Stone was surprised, thrilled, or arrogant about clearing the bar at 17 feet, you couldn't tell. All of the Michael Walls today seem to be rewarded for his hard work. Means today Michael Walls is going to be rewarded for his hard work. If Michael Stone was surprised, means Michael Stone is surprised or thrilled or arrogant about clearing the 17 feet, you couldn't tell. Means we can tell. As soon as he landed on the inflated landing mat and with the crowd on its feet, Michael immediately began preparing for his next attempt at flight. Means as soon as he landed, when he landed on the inflated landing mat with the crowd on his feet, Michael immediately began preparing for the next attempt. Means Michael is preparing for the next attempt. He seemed oblivious of the fact that he had just surpassed his personal best by 3 inches, and that was one of the final two competitors. Means he surprised that he he his personal best is he done 3 inches more than his personal best. And the two competitors in the pole vaulting event at the Junior National Olympics, Michael cleared the bar at 17 feet and 2 inches and 17 feet 4 inches. Again, means here Michael cleared the height of 17 feet and 2 inches, and again 17 feet and 4 inches. Again he showed no emotion. Constant preparation and determination were his vision. Means he is trying and trying again. Constant preparation means he is preparing more and he has more determination on the pole vaulting game. As he lay on his back and heard the crowd groan, he knew that Walter had missed his final jump. Means when all the people are shouting, he known that the Walter has missed the final jump. He knew it was time for his final jump. He already know that it is the only final jump since the other Walter had fewer misses. Means the other Walter had done many misses. Michael needed to clear this vault to win. Means Michael should be clear this vault. Means Michael should uh, jump more than 17 feet 4 inches to clear this vault to win. A miss would get him second place. Means if he missed that, he would get second place. Nothing to be ashamed of. But Michael would not allow himself the thought of not winning first place. Means if he not got first place also, he will not be ashamed of. But Michael is not getting the thought also that he is getting second place. He rolled over and did the ritual of three-finger tipped push-ups. He found his pole, stood and stepped on the runway that led up the most challenging event of his 17-year-old life. He rolled over means he rolled and ritual of three fingers push-ups. He done push-ups. He found his pole, stood and stepped upon the runway. He stood and stepped upon the runway, and this challenge was the most challenging event of his 17 years old life. The runway felt different this time. Means this runway is the he's thinking that this runway is different this time. It started him for a brief moment. Then it all hit him like a wet bale of hay. The bar was set at 9 inches higher than his personal best. Here, the bar was set at the 9 inches more than his personal best. That's only 1 inch of the national record. The personal best of 9 inches above is the 1 inch of the national record, he thought. The intensity of the moment filled his mind with anxiety. Means the anxiety is fully filled in his mind. He began shaking off the tension from his body. Means he is so tensioning it. It wasn't working. He became more tense. Means he is becoming more and more tension. Why is this happening to me now? He thought. He is thinking that why is this happening to me? He began to get nervous, afraid would be a more accurate description. He is afraid, and he thought that afraid would be a more accurate description. What was he going to do? He had never experienced these feelings before. Then out of now where and from the deepest depths of his soul he envisaged his mother. Means he had never experienced these feelings before. He thought about his mother. Why now? What was his mother doing in his thoughts? Now we are going to learn what was the mother is doing in his thoughts at a time like this. It was simple. His mother always used to tell him when you felt tense, anxious, or even scared to take deep breaths. Means that his mother told that when you feel tension, anxious, or scared to take deep breaths. So he did. Along with shaking the tension from legs, he gently laid his pole at his feet. He began to stretch out his arm and upper body. Means he is shaking of tension from legs, and he gently laid his pole at his feet and he stretched the arm and upper body. The light breeze that was once there was no gone. Suddenly light breeze was there but now gone. He could feel a trickle of cold sweat running down his body. Means he is feeling a cold sweat running from his body. He carefully picked up his pole. He carefully took up his pole. He felt his his heart pounding. Means he is hearing his heart heart sound. He was sure that crowd did too. The silence was deafening. When he heard the singing of some distant robins in flight, he knew it was his time to fly. Means when he heard the singing sound, he knew that it was the time to fly. As he began sprinting down the runway, sometime something felt wonderfully different yet familiar. Means when he began sprinting down the runway, he thought that something is different, wonderfully different and familiar. The surface below him felt like the country road he used to dream about. The surface which was down of his legs is like a country road he used to dream. Means when he dream is that the dream. The rocks and chunks of dirt, the visions of the golden wheat fields seemed to fill his thoughts. Means when that day the thought came, no, that is real. The rocks and chunks of dirt, the visions of golden wheat fields. Means he is thinking that I am. going on routes and chunks on the dirt and visions of the golden wheat fields. Means he thought that he is running on the golden wheat fields, seemed to fill his thoughts. Then he took a breath, deep breath. It happened. He began to fly. His takeoff was effortless. Michael Stone was flying just as in his childhood dreams. Means here Michael Stone was just flying like his childhood dreams. Only this time he knew he wasn't dreaming, and he know that he was not dreaming this time. This was real. Everything seemed to be moving in slow motion. The air around him was the purest and freshest he had ever sensed. Means here all the things are moving in the slow motion, and he feel that the air around him is the purest and freshest had he ever sensed. Michael was soaring with the majesty of an eagle. It was either the eruption of people in the stands or the thump of his landing that brought Michael back to earth. On his back, with the wonderful hot sun on his face, he could only envision the smile on his mother's face. Means the hot sun on his back, and he could only envision, means he can only see his mother's face. He knew his dad was probably smiling too, even laughing. Means he already know that his dad was smiling and even laughing. But would always do that when he got excited, smile, and then sort of giggle. But here, but means Michael Butt. He is the father of Michael Stone. We already learned in reading A. He he will smile when he got excited and the sort of giggle. What he did not know was this: his dad was hugging his wife and crying. Means he did not know, he is thinking like that, but his father is hugging his wife and crying. He was crying harder than Mildred had ever seen before. Means here Mildred is the mother of Michael. He he is crying harder than Mildred. Means Mildred ever seen that much crying from Bert. She also knew he was crying the greatest tears, all tears of pride. She know that he was the crying because of the greatest tear. It was the tears of pride. Michael was immediately swarmed with people hugging and congratulating him on the greatest accomplishment of his life. Means Michael was immediately the people came hugging and congratulating him for of his life. He later went on the day to clear 17 feet 6 1 by 2 inches, a national and international junior Olympics record. Means that day he went to clear 17 feet 6 1 by 2 inches, which is a national and international junior Olympics record. With all the media attention and her heartfelt congratulations. Means there are all the people and media congratulations. Michael's life would never be the same. It wasn't just because he won the national junior Olympics and set a new world record. Michael's life would not same before, because now he is like that because he won the national junior Olympics and set a new world record. Means he set a new world record, and it wasn't because he had just increased his personal best by 9 1 by 2 inches. Means he increased his personal best by 9 1 by 2 inches. It was simply because Michael Stone was blind. It means here Michael Stone was blind. Please like, share, subscribe to Sri Tutors.